Welcome to a glimpse of the future, where artificial intelligence and machine learning are shaping a world beyond our wildest imaginations. Buckle up as we take you on a journey through the exciting possibilities of AI and ML. Imagine a world where robots aren't just machines, but intelligent companions. AI-driven robots are assisting us in tasks from household chores to complex surgeries, revolutionizing industries and making our lives easier. And speaking of revolution, let's talk autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are on the horizon, promising safer roads, reduced congestion, and newfound mobility for everyone. In healthcare, AI is transforming diagnostics and treatment. Machine learning algorithms analyze medical data with unparalleled precision, helping doctors detect diseases earlier and tailor therapies to individual patients. Language barriers are fading away. AI-powered language translation is breaking down communication walls, enabling people from different corners of the world to connect and collaborate effortlessly. Virtual assistants have become personal companions, not just answering questions but anticipating our needs. They're learning our preferences, helping us manage our lives, and even cracking a joke when needed. Creativity knows no bounds with AI. Machines are composing music, generating art, and even writing stories. The synergy between human imagination and AI's computational power is producing astonishing results. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations are vital as AI evolves. Striking a balance between innovation and ensuring fairness, accountability, and transparency is paramount. The future of research is AI-driven. Machine learning accelerates drug discovery, predicts climate patterns, and aids in scientific breakthroughs that were once deemed impossible. Personalization is the name of the game. AI tailors recommendations, services, and products to our individual tastes, making every experience unique. The future is bright, fueled by the limitless potential of artificial intelligence and machine learning. We're stepping into an era where machines augment our abilities and open doors to uncharted territories. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey into the future. If you're as excited about the possibilities as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more insights into the ever-evolving landscape of AI and ML.